Hello students, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ we discussed the definition of an angle. The angle means the amount of rotation of a ray from the initial side to terminal sides. This rotation is either clockwise directions or anti-clockwise. Suppose this one is anti-clockwise, the angles AOB is said to be anti-clockwise directions, positive. If the rotation is clockwise direction, the angles AOB is said to be a negative. Of an angles, there are the three systems of measurement of an. The first system is sexagesimal measures or degree measures ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. The second measures is centesimal measures or French measures or grade measures ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The very important measurement is the circular or radian measures. In sexagesimal measures, we know that one revolution means 360 degree. 1 degree means 1 divided by 360th revolutions. The fraction of degree is called the minutes. 1 minute means 1 by 360th and fraction of degree is called the seconds, and 1 second is equal to 1 divided by 60th minute. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು degree measures ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. That circular systems generally or the radian is the angle subtended at the center by an arc length 1 unit in a unit circle. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ definition of radian ಅಂತ. Arc length one unit ಇದೆ, radius is equal to 1 unit ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದರ center angles 1 radian. ಹಾಗೆ the general ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದಿದ್ರೆ radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle. The number of radian and angle subtended by an arc circle at the center is equal to the ratio of arc length and its radius ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಆ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ರೇಡಿಯನ್, ಥೀಟಾ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಥೀಟಾ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು. ಇದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಸರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ದ ಪೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂದರೆ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 180 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಪೈ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪೈ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 180 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ನು. ನಮಗೆ ದ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 180 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ 180 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಪೈ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೆ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಪೈ ಬೈ 6 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಪೈ ಬೈ 4 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಪೈ ಬೈ 3 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ರೇಡಿಯನ್, 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 270 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 3 ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ರೇಡಿಯನ್, 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 2 ಪೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ -70 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ and 120 degree. These are 1 mark questions separately. The first question is -70 degree is converted into radian measures. This -70 degree, here find the radian measures means here -70 degree is converted into radian means this -70 minus is indicated by the measurement is clockwise direction. This -70 is multiplying the conversions factors pi divided by 180. 180 ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ pi by 180 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 0 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ -7 pi divided by 18 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ -70 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಸರ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ -7 pi divided by 180 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ 120 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ is converted into radian measures ಅಂದಾಗ this 120 the similar way is multiplying the conversions factors pi divided by 180. its values here also simplifying 0 0 cancel 6 2 6 3 simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 pi divided by 3 radians 120 degree in radian measures 2 pi divided by 3 radian ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಾಗ here minus 70 he is multiplying pi divided by 180 you get minus 7 pi divided by 80 radian ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ the similar way that ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 120 degree he is multiplying the conversion factors pi divided by 180 simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 pi divided by 3 radian ಹಾಗೆ the reverse method ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ find the degree measures of pi divided by 12 pi by 12 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ pi by 12 in radian measures ಇದೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ this pi divided by 12 we are multiplying the conversion factors 180 divided by pi degree ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ here pi cancels and simplify that 12 1 and 12 pi 60 it means 15 degree ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು this one is the pi by 12 converted into in degree measures the similar way we are converting pi divided by 8 into degree measures this one is pi by 8 radian measures you convert to pi by 8 into degree measures here also this pi divided by 8 you are multiplying the conversion factors 180 divided by pi then it is converted into degree measures here also you can simplify this value is equal to pi cancel 4 2 it is clear this value is 4 it means 45 divided by 2 degree this 45 by 2 is a fractions forms and also you know that this 45 by 2 is an improper fractions therefore is converted into a mixed fractions and it is an improper fractions means this value is containing some integral values and a fractions values it's clear therefore using divisions algorithms you dividing 45 divided by 2 using the division algorithms methods 2 to 4 taking 5 2 its value is 4 remainder is 1 therefore we can say that this value is equal to 22.1 divided by 2 radian degree pi by 8 radian is exactly equal to 22.5 degree ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ this one is 1 divided by 2 degree is a fraction of degree it is not a complete degree therefore fraction of degree is converted into minutes here you know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes it's clear therefore half degree is converted into minute means this half is multiplying 60 you convert into minutes forms therefore this value is equal to 22 is the complete degree and half degree can be written as this half is multiplying 60 you convert into minutes therefore 230 this 5 by 8 radian is exactly equal to 22 degree 30 minutes 22 and half degree means 22 degree 30 minutes in degree measures the similar way we go to the next examples express the following angles in radian measures these angles are given you convert into radian measures the one by one you saw the very simple way here you know that converting degree to radians here multiplying conversion factors pi divided by 180 just remember the first one is 15 degree is converted into radian measures means this 15 is multiplying the conversion factors pi divided by 180 15 1 50 yes 15 5 to 12 you get pi divided by 12 radian next 75 degree 75 degree is converted into radian measures means this 75 is multiplying the conversion factors pi by 180 here simplifying you get this one is 15 5 15, 12, you get 5 pi divided by 12 radian. 5 pi divided by 12 radians. Suppose 240 degree is converted into radians. Here, this 240, we are multiplying the conversion factors. Pi divided by 180. Here also simplifying 0, 0 cancel. 6, 3, 6, 4. You get 4 pi divided by 3 radians. Here 240 degrees converted into radian measures means 4 pi divided by 3 radians. And similarly minus 120 degree. Minus 120 degree here also minus 120 degree. Minus indicating the measurement is clockwise directions. Therefore, here also taking minus sign. Here 120. Here multiplying the conversion factors pi divided by 180. 0, 0 cancel. 6, 2, 6, 3. Minus 2 into pi means minus 2 pi divided by 3 radians. Either it is positive or negative, multiplying these terms by conversion factors pi divided by 180 degree. For example, minus 720 degree is converted into radian measures means this minus 720, we are multiplying the conversion factors pi divided by 180. Here you know that 0, 0 cancels. 18, 1, 18, 4. It means minus 4 into pi, minus 4 pi radian. This one is minus 720 is converted into radian measures. This value is equal to minus 4 pi radians. The similarly you get minus 520. But very important here you can write this one is, suppose the first one is the 2 mark questions 30 degree 40 minutes. It's clear? 30 degree 40 minutes is converted into radian measures. Here 30 degree 40 minutes, first here rewrite in terms of degree. 40 degree 30 degree 40 minutes is first rewrite in terms of degree. Therefore 30 actually meaning is plus 40 minutes. 40 minutes means here you know that 1 minute it means 1 divided by 60th degree. Therefore x minutes can be written as x divided by 60 degree. Therefore this one is plus, it means 0.40 divided by 60th degree. It is clear? Its value is equal to 30 plus 0, 0 cancels 2 by 3 degree. Here its value is equal to 3 into 30 means 90, 90 plus 2, 92 divided by 3 degree. 30 degree 40 minutes means 92 divided by 3 degree. Next is converted into radian measures means this 92 divided by 3, here multiplying the conversion factors pi divided by 180. Pi divided by 180. It means its value is equal to, suppose here simplifying, you get 445. This value is equal to 4, 2 and 4, 3. 23 into pi, 23 pi divided by 3 into 45, 135. Therefore, 30 degree 40 minutes is converted into radian means its value is 23 divided by 105, 135 into pi. It means 23 pi divided by 135 radians. This one is the conversions. The similar way, the next one is, suppose you write, the method is same. We are given that already you know that 22 degree 30 minutes. The similar way, minus 5 degree 30 minutes. Minus 5 degree 30 minutes means first is rewrite into degree forms. Minus outside 5 degree plus 30 minutes is converted into degree means this 30 is multiplied 1 by 60 means 30 divided by 60th degree. And simplify this value is minus 5 plus 1 divided by 2 degree. Its value is equal to minus 5 into 2, 10 plus 1 is 11 divided by 2 degree. It means 5 degree 30 minutes means 11 by 2 degree. Next, he is multiplying this 11 by 2, conversion factor is 5 by 180. 11 divided by 2 into, we are multiplying 5 divided by 180. Therefore, this value is equal to minus 11 pi divided by 360 radian. This one is the conversion of degree to radian measures. Similarly, you can prove that 47 degree 30 minutes, 22 degree 30 minutes. These are the conversions of degree to radian measures. In reverse way, you can converting degree to radian, radian to degree measures. It's clear? Radian to degree measures. One by one, you can solving the very simple questions, either 2 or 3 or 1 mark questions. The first question is pi into 5 pi divided by 6 radian is converted into degree. Therefore, here this 5 pi divided by 6, we are multiplying the conversion factors 180 divided by pi. We are writing in degree forms. It's clear? Here 5 pi cancels, 6 1, 6, 30, P0, 30 into 5, its value is equal to 150 degree. Actually, this one is 1 mark questions. Similarly, you can find 2 pi divided by 9 radian is converted into degree. Here also, this 2 pi divided by 9, we are multiplying the conversion factors 180 divided by 5. Then you say that this one is converted into degree forms. Here also simplify, you get this 5 pi cancels, 9 1, 9 20, 20 into 2, you get 40 degree. This one is the conversions of radian to degree forms. Similarly, you can convert to 7 pi by 2 minus 6 pi by 5 radians. Suppose minus 6 pi by 5 radian is converted into degree. Here taking minus as it is, it means minus indicate means clockwise directions. 6 pi divided by 5, we are multiplying the conversion factors 180 divided by 5 degree. Yes, here also this 5 pi cancel. 5 1, 5 3, 5 6. It is clear. This value is 6 pi by 5. 5 1, 5 36. Its value is equal to 36 into 6 plus 3 means 21 degree. This one is the conversions of here minus sign outside, therefore write minus sign. It means you can measure in clockwise directions. These are the conversions of radian to degree measures. Similarly, you can find the value of 7 pi by 2 minus 5 pi by 3 radians into degree forms. The similar way, suppose ask, this one is the 2 mark questions. One more, pi divided by 7 radians. Pi by 7 radian is converted into degree measures. Here also 7 pi by 7, they are multiplying the conversion factors 180 divided by 5. Then is converted into degree. Here also 5 pi cancels. It means 180 divided by 7 degree. 180 by 7, this one is the fractions forms. It is a improper fractions. Therefore, using division algorithms, just dividing numerators divided by denominators, here find the converting into mixed fractions. 7 into 2, you get 14. Its value is 40. 7 5. Its value is equal to 35. The remainder is equal to 5. It's clear. Therefore, here rewrite its value is equal to 25.5 divided by 7 degree. You know that the conversions of improper fractions to mixed fractions. Here you know that 25 is the complete degree. 25 is the complete degree and 5 divided by 7, it is proper fractions. Proper means it is always less than unity. less than 1. Therefore, this one is the fraction of degree. Fraction of degree is converted into minutes. Therefore, here multiplying 60, 5 into 60 means 300 divided by 7 degree. Again, this one is improper fractions. Again, using division algorithms, dividing 300 by 7. Numerators divided by denominators. 7 into 4, 28, remainder is 2. 7 into 2, 14, remainder is 6. Therefore, here write 25 is the complete degree and 42. Here you write 42.6 divided by 7 minutes. Here you know that 25 is complete degree, 42 is the complete minutes. Next 6 divided by 7 is the fraction of minute. Fraction of minute is converted into seconds. Therefore, here multiplying 60 into 6 means 360 divided by 7 seconds. Here again using division algorithms, 360 divided by 7, 7 5 is 35. You get 1, 7, 1 is 7, you get 3, 0, it means it is less than 5. Therefore, we can say that approximately 25 degree, 42 minutes, complete second is 51 seconds. Therefore, 5 by 7 radian is converted into degree forms, 25 degree, 42 minutes, 51 seconds. This measurement is called the degree measures. They are converted to radian to degree forms. Similarly, the general results, the next problems, 2 radians, half radians, minus 4 radians is converted into degree. Here using pi is equal to approximate values 22 divided by 7. That one is the same method. Here converting, suppose for example 2 radian is converted into degree forms. This 2 is multiplying 180 divided by pi degree. It's clear? Suppose here using pi is equal to 22 divided by 7, approximate values. You know that pi is equal to 22 divided by 7. This one is the approximate values, nearly equal to 3.142. Therefore, suppose here using this values, 2 into 180 divided by 22 divided by 7 degree. Its value is equal to, it's clear? This 2 1 to 11. 7 into 180. 7 into or 180 into 7 divided by 11th degree. It's clear? It's 160 divided by 11th degree. This one is improper fractions, rough one. Here using divisions algorithms, 1260 is divided by 11, 11 1 is 11, against 11 1 is 11, to get 50, 11 4 is 44, remainder is 6. Therefore, you can complete degree is 114 is the complete degree. 6 divided by 11 is fraction of degree. Fraction of degree is converted into minutes. Therefore, this 6 is multiplying 60. You can write 6 into 60 means 360 divided by 11 minutes. Again, this one is improper fractions. Again, using the divisions algorithms, 360 divided by 11. 11 into 3, 33. You get this one is remainder is 3. 11 into 2, 22. You get the remainder is 8. Therefore, you can write 114 degree. Complete minute is 32 minutes. And fraction of minute is 8 divided by 11 minutes. This 8 divided by 11 is a fraction of minutes. Therefore, is converted into second. This 8 is multiplying 60. 60 into 8, 420 divided by 11 seconds. Here you know that 420 again, once again using divisions algorithms, you know that 420 divided by 11, 11 into 3, 33, you get this one is 9, 11 into 8, 88, remainder is equal to 2 points. Suppose approximately this one is 114 degree, 32 minutes and complete 38 seconds. It's clear? 2 radians, its value is 114 degree, 32 minutes, 38 seconds approximately when using pi is equal to 22 divided by 7 approximate values. It's clear? Similarly, you can find in -4. Here also -4 is multiplying pi divided 180 divided by pi and using pi is equal to 22 divided by 7, exactly double of this but negative signs. The next examples, these are the very important results. The first one is a wheel turns 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Then how many radians does it turns in 1 second? This problem is asked nearly 4-5 times for 2 mark questions in annual exams. This one is very simple questions. Here given example is a wheel is turn 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Here finding how many radians does it turn in 1 second ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The solution is very simple questions. Here given that this given wheel turns in 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Here given that in 1 minute 360 revolutions. In 1 minute. Given that wheel turns 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Here given, it implies we are finding the number of radians in 1 second. You know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. In time is also 1 minute means 60 seconds. Here finding 1 second means 1 divided by 60th minutes. Therefore here you can write wheel turns in 1 second. How many revolutions? 360 divided by 60, its value is equal to 6 revolutions. Is clear? In 1 minute, 360 revolutions means in 1 second, 6 revolutions. But you know that since you know that 1 revolution is equal to in 1 revolution means 2 pi radian. In radian measures 2 pi radian. Therefore 6 revolutions means is equal to 6 into 2 pi, its value is equal to 12 pi radian. Therefore wheel turn in 1 second is 12 pi radians. Very simple questions, 2 mark questions. In 1 minute 360 revolutions means in 1 second wheel turns 12 pi radians. The similar way, the next questions, 2 mark questions. Find the angle in degree measures subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeters by an arc length is 22 centimeters. Here given that the solution is very simple. Here the given questions. Okay, the given that find the angle in degree measures subtended at the center of the circle of radius 100 centimeters by an arc of length is 22 centimeter. This one is given. Here this one is a circle, assume that. This one is circle. The radius of the circle is equal to 100 centimeter. The arc of length is 22 centimeters is given. This arc makes an angle. Arc, the length is 22 centimeters. Then find the angle in degree. Very simple questions. But it's given here, given that, or you can write the given that the radius of the circle is equal to radius r is equal to 100 centimeter and arc length is equal to 22 centimeters. Let us assume that our assumption is theta radian center angle. Then we know the definition of theta radian is exactly equal to arc length. Suppose you can say that arc length is equal to S or L. L divided by radius. It means 22 divided by 100. This one is 11 divided by 50 radian. This one is given in radian method. But here ask the center angle in degree measures. Therefore, here this radian is converted into degree. Therefore, theta degree is equal to. Here asked in degree measures. What is the theta in degree forms? Therefore, theta degree is equal to this 11 divided by 50. Here multiplying 180 divided by 5 degree. Suppose here using pi is equal to 22 by 7 is given. Its value is equal to 11 divided by 50 into 180 divided by 22 divided by 7 degree. Simplify, you get 11 1, 11 2. 2 1 0 0 cancels, 2 1 2 9. It means its value is equal to 9 into 7 63 divided by 5 degree. This one is an improper fractions. Here again rough work. 63 divided by 5, it means 5 1 5, 5 2, 12, 10, you get 3. Therefore, this one is the 12 degree, is the complete degree. And 3 by 5 is a fraction of degree. This fraction of degree, here we write in terms of minutes. Therefore, here multiplying 60, its value is equal to 60 means 180 divided by 3 into 60, 180 divided by 5 seconds. Again, 180 divided by 5, to simplify 12 degree, 5 into 3 into 6, 36 minutes. Therefore, the center angle is equal to 12 degree, 36 minutes. That one is the center angle in degree measures. It's clear? The similar type problems, the next question. Find the angle in radian measures through which a pendulum swings. Its length is 75 centimeters and tip describe an angle of length 15 centimeters. Find the angle in radian. Is not a degree, here given in radian forms. Here we write in radians, you know the pendulums. This one is the length of the pendulums. This pendulum swings in circular path. You know that in circular paths, it describes an arc of a circle. Suppose say that AB is an arc of a circle. Its length is equal to 50 centimeters is given. And length of an arc pendulum is 75 centimeters is given. This one is fine. Then here find the angle subtended at this. It is clear? In radian form. Here find this one is radian. This one is a circular form. This one is circular. This one is a arc. Arc length is given 15 centimeters. Radius of a circle is equal to 75 centimeters. Very simple questions. 2 more questions. Then find the center angle in radians. Here also let us assume that length of the pendulums. Here assume that assumption is it is the radius. Length of pendulum. You say that this value is radius. R is equal to 75 centimeters. And the pendulum swings. It described an arc of length 15 centimeters. Therefore, you say that this one is arc length. You say that here its value is 15 centimeters. Here assumption is theta radian center angle. Center angle is theta radians. You know that theta radian is equal to arc length divided by radius. What is arc length? Arc length is equal to 15 and radius is equal to 75. This value is 1 divided by 5 radian. It makes an angle 1.5 radians. Suppose here asked in degree measures, he has converted this radian into degree. We are multiplying the conversion factors 180 divided by 5. Next, using the pi is approximate values either 3.1416 or 22 by 7, we convert it into degree forms. The similar way, the next problem. If the length of two circles are same, which subtends angle 60 and 75 degree respectively, then find the ratio of the radian. It means here given two circles. Let us assume this one is the first circle, the center is C1 and radius is R1, and this one is the second circle, its center is equal to C2, it means radius is equal to R2. The two circles makes the same arc length. This one is arc length L1, this one is also arc length L2. This arc makes an angle, center angle is theta 1 radian, it makes an angle, center angle is theta 2 radian. It's clear? Here assume that L1, arc length of the first circle, arc length, theta 1, center angle. Assume that the two circle arc lengths are equal is given. The center angle of the first circle is 60 degree, center angle of the second circle is 75 degree. Then find the ratio of the radii. Here find the ratio of R1 and R2. It means, let us assume that L1 is the arc length of first circle and theta 1 is center angle, and you can say that R1 is radius first circle. Given that, what is given? L1 theta 1 is center angle of the first circle, given that 60 degree. 60 degree is theta is always radian measures. This theta is multiplying pi divided by 180. You get its value is equal to pi divided by 380. And theta 2, center angle of the second circle, here given that 75 degree. This 75 is multiplying pi divided by 180, you get 5 pi divided by 12 radians. Given that here L1 is equal to L2, you know that L1 means R1 into theta 1 and this value is equal to L2 means R2 into theta 2. It implies R1 divided by R2 is exactly theta 2 divided by theta 1. The ratio of the radian. What is theta 2? 5 pi divided by 12 4 divided by theta 1 pi divided by 3. Here you know that pi cancels 1 theta 3 into 4 you get 5 divided by 4. Therefore, the ratio of R1 and R2 is exactly equal to 5:4. This one is the ratio of the radian. This is clear. Ratio of the radii is 5/4. The next questions the similar way. In a circle of diameter is 40 centimeters, length of the chord is 20 centimeters. Find the length of minimum arc of chord. Find the length of minimum arc of the chord. The next questions. They are solving the same methods. First understand the questions. Given that it is a circle, the center, the diameter means chord passing through the center. The length of the chord is given that this one is 40 centimeters. You know that this one is radius, this one is also radius. The diameter is exactly equal to twice the radius. And one chord is given, this one is CD. Given that its length is equal to 20 centimeters. It's clear. Find the length of the minor arc of the chord. This one is the minor arc, minimum length of the chord, minor arc. And this length is called the major arc of the chord, the maximum length of the chord. Here you know that this CD is 20 centimeter. Here given that diameters. You know that P is equal to 2R is 40 centimeters. Therefore, given radius is equal to 20 centimeters. It's clear. Suppose here joining center C, here suppose O, you can say that O is the center, O and OC and OD. This one is the center, given that length of the chord is, diameter is 40 centimeters. This one is also is a radius, therefore we get this one is radius is equal to 20 centimeters, this one is radius 20 centimeters, therefore this one is 20 centimeters radius, this one is also radius 20 centimeters. It is clear. This are given. Here you know that OCD is a triangle and OC is equal to CD is equal to OD is equal to 20 centimeter, means all the three sides are equal. All the three sides are equal means this triangle is an equilateral triangles. In equilateral triangles, all angles are equal to 60 degree. Therefore, you can say that the center angle is equal to 60 degree. It's clear? It means this CD is the arc length, this one is L. This arc makes an angle 60 degree at the center. The radius of this circle is 20 centimeters. Then find the length of the arc. Here also given that radius and given that center angle. With the help of diagrams, you can say that center angle, that one is theta radian is equal to 60 degree. It means 60 here multiplying pi divided by 180. Conversion factors, you get pi divided by 3 radians. Then here find the length of the minor arc. Minor arc. That L is equal to L. L is equal to R into theta radians. Its value is equal to R means 20 into theta radians. Theta radian means pi divided by 3. Suppose here using pi is equal to its value, simplify 20 into 3.142 divided by 3, simplify to get in centimeters. Using the simple calculator in annual exams, calculator is out. Work out this values. Multiplying and divided by, you get the length of the minor arc of the circle. It's clear? The next problems, the similar type questions. It is also very useful and is asked in competitive exam in 1 times. Find the angle in radian measures between hours and minutes hand of a clock when the time is 2 o'clock 40 minutes. It means this one is a clock is always the minute hand and hours hand is rotating circular path. You know that this value is 12, 6, 3, 9. Here 1, 2, 4, 5. 7, 8, 10, 11. You said that this one is the hour and minutes hand. 2 o'clock, 40 minutes. This one is hour hand and this one is the minute hand. What is the angle between minute hand and hour hand? Suppose assume that this one is the original positions. Both the hands are rotates from the original initial stage 12. It rotates like this. Here you know that this hour hand rotates in one complete revolutions. You get 60 minutes. Therefore, here remember this one is angle between. Here find the angle between hours and minute hand is. Is exactly equal to modulus of. Modulus means absolute values. Angle made by hour hand minus angle of minute hand, or minute hand angles minus hour hand angle. It's clear? Our hand move in each complete revolutions means 12 hours. And one complete revolution is equal to 360 degree or 2 pi radian in radian meters. Therefore, the hours and minutes or it makes in each hour total in radian is 2 pi radians. The total hour is 12, therefore this value is 5 divided by 6 radians, or in degree measures 360 divided by 12. It's clear? 2 pi means 360 divided by 12, 30 degree. And also in each minute hours and minute. In each hours and minutes pi by 6 radian, and 1 hour means 60 minutes, therefore this value is equal to pi divided by 360 radians, or you can say that 30 divided by 60 half degree. And also in each minute hands move. You know that the total number of minutes 60 and 1 revolutions means 2 pi radians, or 360 degree divided by 60, you get pi divided by 30, or you can write 360 by 6 degree. Here you know that angle between hours and unit hands at 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock and 40 minutes. That value is equal to the modulus of minutes and angle minus hours and angle. Or you can take the modulus signs in sometimes hours and angles minus minutes and angles. Its value is equal to modulus of minutes and angles. In each minutes, the minutes rotates pi by 30 radians. Here 40 minutes, 4 o'clock 40 minutes, 40 into pi by 30 minus hours and minutes. In each hours pi by 6 radians. In 2 hours means 2 into pi by 6 plus, and each minutes the hours and minutes pi divided by 360 radians. It means here 40 minutes, 40 into pi divided by 360. Yeah, this value is equal to 0 cancels 4 pi divided by 3 minus, here its value is equal to pi by 3 plus 0 cancels 4 9 pi by 9. You get its value is 9 is LCM, 3 pi plus 4 pi divided by 9. It means its value is equal to exactly 9 is LCM, 12. 3 into 3 is 12, 12 minus 4 means 8 pi divided by 9 radians. This one is the angle between hours and minutes. The simple questions only remembers the minutes and angles minus hours and angles, or hours and angles minus minutes and angles. Here convert into radians. The next problem, the similar type questions. If the length of a minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeters, then find the path traced by the minute hand in 40 minutes. Here also assume that this one is a watch. The minute hand of a watch, it makes an angle starting here, well, assume that it makes an. The length of the minute hand is given, this value is 1.5 centimeters. 1.5 centimeters. Then path traced by the minute hands. This one is the circular path. Here let us assume that total path is exactly equal to arc length of a circle. Is clear? And radius. Assume that this one is the radius radius is equal to exactly equal to length of the minute hand, that value is 1.5 centimeters. Then find and assume that theta radian is the center angle. Center angle means the minute hand makes an angle theta radian at the center. This value is theta radian is equal to, here you know that it turns 40 minutes. 40 into each minute the minute hands rotate pi divided by 30 minutes. Just remember pi by 30. That value is equal to 4 by 3 radians. You know that the total path L is equal to R into theta radian. R is 1.5. Theta radian means 4 pi divided by 3. Simplify. 1.5 into 2 is 3. 2 into 2 means 4. Its value is 2 centimeters. All you write 2 into pi is equal to 3.142. Here multiplying 2, it means 6.284 centimeters is the path traced by the minute hand at 40 minutes. Thank you.